Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. So here we got some quinoa with red lentils. So we're gonna start with some spring onion. You can also use onion, it's up to you. We are gonna saute our spring onion. We're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon curcuma. We are gonna add 1 teaspoon cardamom. We are gonna add half of teaspoon garlic and half of teaspoon, of course, cumin. So we're gonna stir fry all our spices with a little bit more of oil, of course, now, and our spring onion, just like that. We got pre-washed. I forgot the name. Quinoa, sorry. We have pre-washed quinoa and also pre-boiled red lentils. We're gonna now stir fry our quinoa. It's 1 cup here of quinoa. We're gonna use 1.5 cup of water, hot water later on, and just like rice. Yeah. So look. I mentioned the lentils are pre-boiled, but not fully cooked. Yeah, we have to be careful. Now we're gonna add a little bit of pepper, stir fry a little bit with everything, and now we're gonna add the water. As I mentioned, it's 1.5 cup of water. You have to know your stove, how to cook, how long you need to cook the rice or the quinoa. Yeah? In my case, I'm doing 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, I'm gonna cover it and steam it. So as I mentioned, the lentils are like 80% done. Yeah, you don't have to make it completely, because otherwise it will be too sticky to the quinoa. So look, after it start boiling like this, yeah, I'm gonna count my 13 minutes. After my 13 minutes, look, it's dry. Now I am gonna incorporate my lentils. I'm gonna mix everything now and let it steam another 13 minutes. I use a serviette that the humidity stayed on the serviette, and we steam it like that. It's my way to do it, yeah, of course. So I will incorporate everything. Look now. Yeah, just like that. Now spread all along the pan and just cover it. So after my 13 minutes are done, I let it rest like around 15 minutes more. Yeah. Now I got the green part of the spring onion and basil, just roughly chopped like that. I'm gonna mix all together and we are ready to go. This is just very easy. I hope you like this side. You can have it as a main course, adding some stuff more to the quinoa, or just as a side. Yeah. In this time, I will just do it as a side, and I'm gonna top it with some chicken I prepared. So thank you very much. I hope you like it. There are another bunch of videos you may have been interested in, and have a nice journey. Thumb up if you like it. Thank you. Have a nice day.